Hi, grade 5. So I just wanted to quickly go over your assignment for today. We're going to be reviewing what we had learned in social studies throughout the entire unit in regards to French, British, and First Nations relationships. So there are 2 steps to doing this, and the first one is right here. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to click on the Kahoot challenge I have set up for you for this assignment. Please, as I have noted above in the instructions, please use your own first name for your Kahoot name, just so that when I go to look at the scores, I know whose challenge is whose. The second part of this, once you have completed the Kahoot, is there are some questions about the French, the British, and the First Nations. So I'm just going to click into that Google form and read those questions off to you right now. So in the Google form, there are 4 questions. I've asked you to answer all 4. Please remember to write in complete sentences. So, for example, if the question is, what are some reasons the early French and British left Europe, your response should start something like, the early French and British settlers left Europe because. So please make sure they're in complete sentences. Don't just write one-word answers. Also, when you're providing an answer for these questions, please explain those answers. Either you can say it's something that you learned from the PowerPoint lessons or from flipping through the PDF of the chapter, but please actually give a reason for your answer and explain what you've said. So I'm going to read off the 4 questions to you now. The first question is, what are some of the reasons the early French and British left Europe? The second one is, what are some challenges they faced once they got to Atlantic Canada? And you can find a lot of information about this in your textbook, and I have attached that PDF to the assignment. So if you are not sure and you don't remember, go back and read. I think it's only about a page and a half for those 2 questions, if you need to. So the next 2 questions are about the French, the British, and the First Nations. And we just recently did lessons on this section of the book, so this should be kind of pretty fresh in your memory. The last 2 questions are, what are some positive effects? What were some of the positive effects, on the French and British from their interactions with the First Nations groups? And you can discuss any examples of any of the First Nations groups we've discussed throughout the last 2 lessons. The next question, which is our last question, is what were some of the negative effects on the First Nations groups from their interactions with the French and the British? As we learned in our last 2 lessons, there were a few positive things about the interactions that benefited the First Nations, but there were a lot more negative effects as a result of those interactions with the French and British settlers on the First Nations people. So please try to go back and kind of think about what you might have learned. In order to get this information, you can, like I said, use the PDF from the book, or you can even go back to the previous lessons I've posted and look through the PowerPoints. Those all have some really good information that might be helpful here. Once you're done, all you have to do is just click submit, and that's it. One thing I will say is, even though neither of these pieces of the assignment require you to turn in, please make sure that you're turning in the assignment when you're done, just so that I can see that you completed both the Kahoot and the Google Form questions for this assignment. That way I don't have to go looking. And as I said earlier, you have attached the chapter PDF below. So that is it for today's assignment. If you have any questions, like I always say, please don't hesitate to email, message me in the assignment, in the classroom, send me a Gmail, and I am here if you need anything, and good luck, and we will be chatting soon. Bye.